What's up, YouTube? My name is DeAndre. I'm 25 years old, and I'm gonna be doing a journey to rebuild an Infiniti G35 2004. This is it right here. So basically, I just bought this car maybe less than a week so far, and the person who I got it from, he's a guy that's in his 40s, and he gave it to his son. But his son basically macked the car, as you can see right here. So I think he ran into a truck. So the guy was asking me to buy this car for over $3,000. I said no. Just because of the condition, I said no. You gotta cut the price down. So I ended up buying the car for $1,500. So what basically is wrong with the car? As you can see, the headlight is missing. The front bumper is all messed up. It's still working. When I bought the car, he had a string on top of this. The string was right here. The left fender is rusty because I think after he crashed it, they left it somewhere in a hotel for almost 4 months. But other than that, I checked the car, me and my friends. But basically, me and one of my friends. We went to the place. It was somewhere up in Hempstead, Queens. I jacked the car up. I checked make sure the transmission is working, make sure the engine is working. Everything seems to be fine. It's just the front. So basically the grill is gone, as you can see, and the hood. Other than that, the main things I need to change is, so they have something called a radiator support assembly, which holds the radiator up, and it gives basically when I get a brand new hood, it's going to be clamped down to the radiator support. Also, having the headlight, it's a frame to support the headlight and the radiator itself. So I have to change that, the front bumper, hood, left fender, and the headlight, and also the skirt. The side skirt is all hooked out. I don't know what the son was doing to this car, but he didn't take care of it. This is the headlight that he left in the car. So right here, the whole glass frame is hooked out. The bulbs are still good. So I guess when I get the new headlights, all I just need is just a frame, basically the shell for the headlight, but the cords are still working because I tested them out before. Some of the cords are actually in pretty good condition. I'll just take these out, just to be more resourceful, But the main things is just the cosmetic in front. Oh yeah, the door. He messed up the door too. Like, as you can see, the knob is all messed up. The body, he has a couple of scratches, but nothing too big. It's minor things. It's easy, not really easy, but it's time consuming. The body right here is dented and scratched up. The wheels. So now with the wheels, it's not really sprayed. They have something called Rust-Oleum. So what it does, it cures rust. Any rust spot on basically your rims, the body, anywhere that has rust. Once you spray that spray, it cures it and actually prevents it from happening again. So this is what I sprayed on the rims, because only one rim had most of the rust spot. Like right here, I don't know if you can see it properly, but right here, it had rust all over this whole rim. But as you can see, the spray took it all out. All here was so rusty that you couldn't even see the color of the rim. But it took it out, and it's coming back to the regular color. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now that I put that on, I have to get the actual spray and spray it myself. I'm basically gonna fix this car myself, so just repair everything. But we're gonna be doing this on a budget. we're not gonna be spending a lot of money to take it to no mechanic, because we fix cars ourselves. Me and my boy here, Q, he's trying to put his window cleaners on. He's struggling, but but yeah, other than that, the interior, well, before, the interior was horrible. When I got to the place, the seats all messed up. In the back, he kept the back dirty, but I cleaned it out. So I'm gonna have to hire somebody to clean the rugs out and stuff. And the headliners, I could change the headliners myself, so that's not a hard task. The good thing is, though, the transmission is working, the engine is working. The door, I have to change the door too. I'm gonna have to take the whole door because it has a problem. I think I know what it is. It's this flat piece is opening up. Y'all see that? Easy fix. 1, 2, 3. It's a straight pipe too. So I think he had aftermarket exhaust. Aftermarket exhaust and cold air intake, but the intake is smashed up. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys when I come out the car. But other than that, the whole setup is good. Nothing too bad. Definitely got to change this because it's too cold when you start the car up. There's a key. But it starts nice. It sounds good. It's fast. It's 300 horsepower. Yeah. And it pops too. It's pretty good. I like it. This is one of my favorite cars, actually. So you guys are gonna stay tuned for the journey of rebuilding this car. So, but yeah, let me go into. You want to show me something? Yeah, you try to show me something, but now under here, he had a full aftermarket exhaust, but he cut the mufflers off because of, and the resonators, because I think they were rusty. So it's just burbling from the sides. Probably that's where I got the pops from. The good thing is he added the sway bars underneath, so it got extra protection. Oh, and it's also LSD, so we can drift. Let me get up here. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty good. That's how it looks. Just minor things. Easy, 1, 2, 3. But the headlight is gonna give me a problem because I realized some of the cords are actually messed up. So we're gonna have to do some electrical work. This is the intake. But yeah, I don't wanna open the hood up because I had to strap the hood down. He messed up the hood too. So I had to put rope with some zip ties. You know when you put zip ties on things, you're gonna stay. So that's a good part about it. But yeah, other than that, the car is pretty good. It's 170,000 mileage. It's not that bad once you take care of your cars. The body work, I just do that myself. Quick sand, buff, fill it up. Nothing too big, but it's a pretty good car. And the fact that it's fast, I like it fast. Well, we like fast cars, so. But yeah, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned. We're gonna be rebuilding this baby. Taking our time on a budget. Fixing this car on a budget. So we can save money.